Hello and happy fall. Today we're recreating Michael's items. Expensive Michael's items. The ones that look nice, but you say, man, I can make that by going to the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you've ever said that to yourself, but I have. Very nice.
Wait, you didn't let me point my toes.
There's your toes.
Come on.
Hey guys, we're at Michael's. We're gonna go in and try to find something that's between $50 and $100 that we don't want to purchase because we don't spend that much money. And then we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree. That's a dirty lie, but we're not gonna spend it today. Then we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and buy some items that are obviously $1 because it's from the Dollar Tree.
Yep.
And then we're gonna recreate the expensive Michael's item that we didn't want to purchase. This is $40. I can get this at the Dollar Tree. I could definitely recreate this part of it. I don't know. This is doable. And this is $40. I think I could totally recreate this at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah.
This one, that much?
It's like a pumpkin one. You know?
I know, but it's kind of weird.
$80 divided by 2 would be $50. I mean, $40. All right, I think we found some pretty good things. I don't want to look at. Wait, can we just like? Maybe let's just tape when we get to the Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Okay. We just went to the Dollar Tree and we got a bunch of stuff. Oh.
We didn't film in there, and we ran around and hopefully got everything. In an effort to annoy my family as much as humanly possible, I've decided to set up everything in the den, which is in the center of our house. Thank you, Anne, for letting me do this. This is the goal of what I'm trying to recreate. I have arranged my items on this wreath, which was not from the Dollar Tree. That's the only thing that's not from the Dollar Tree here. Just because my mom had a wreath downstairs and I said, Mom, can I use this? And she said yes. But there's wreaths at the dollar store. Get those if you want to do this. I doubt any of you will recreate this, but if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna start with the worst part of this whole activity, cutting these things. They're real bastards to me. Ow! Let me see if I can actually just shove this in here. Oh! This wreath is like a good wreath. Quite like a bird's nest, actually. What is this called, Mom? Lots of branches? I don't know. It has lots of branches and I can just shove this in here rather than cutting this and suffering. Our kitchen is like connected to our den, kind of. I have no place for myself in this house. That's the problem. I hope that you like my decision to become a pumpkin and a cat at the same time. I've become a flower arranger on this channel, actually. I never did this in real life, but for some reason you guys like watching this video, so here we go. Should I go like all of them around? Okay, so I think I've done this wrong already. Nothing is done. We're not making any hard decisions right now. We're just seeing what happens. My mom is an expert crafter. Would you agree, Anne? What? That you're an expert crafter? She had too many kids. I don't think you had too many kids.
Well, it takes up my time. When you have too many kids, you don't have time for yourself.
And that's why in my next week's video, we're doing a spa day for Anne. She's gonna get a haircut. She's gonna get her hair dyed. Nails. She just pointed out her nails. She wants me to do her nails. I'm good at doing nails on other people, not on myself. Because I can't do anything with my left hand. My left hand is virtually useless. I don't know why I have it.
Yeah, I know why you have it. Thank God you have your hands.
Everyone's always told me my personality is neon green. Like lime. My aura. That I look like a lime.
It's ridiculous.
So you tell me. I feel like I relate to a lime. You know? Limes, they like to stand out. They like the color green. I'm like a hipster, but for neon colors, you know? I don't know what that really means, but if you parsed some meaning from it, thank you. The Dollar Tree is a great place because you can go in there and just stack them. I spent $30 at the Dollar Tree. 30! And do you know how many things I bought? It was crazy. I think that placement's not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna look at where I want the pumpkins. I see a lot of people like repaint these, but honestly, with the color scheme that I have, I don't want to repaint them and I'm not going to. Ow!
Did you hurt yourself? Did you break skin?
Blood underneath my skin.
Oh God, hematoma.
Ow! Right on the top of my useful finger. I would like to cut this in half because... Oh, yes! Yes! I really just like went for it, you know? I just ripped it and it ripped in half. I hate this. Really hate this. I don't like this weird sea thing on it. Like, what the heck is that? Who did this? Disgusting. God, a sea creature. This belongs in the sea, not in fall with my pumpkins. God, these people don't know how to decorate. It's like I'm the only one that knows how to do anything around here. No, it's not.
A little glitter.
You know, it's not that bad. It just doesn't fit the theme. It just doesn't fit with what I'm doing right now. It's gonna look great on our front door. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think a red door on your home means prosperity. Hasn't worked for me yet. What are you doing with that?
Four colors.
What is it?
Vegetable bake.
What is the seasoning?
Little tomatoes.
Little tomatoes,
Basil and rosemary.
basil, and rosemary. She has a little baking bag and she's gonna put it in the oven.
And vegetables.
Or that's just vegetables. That's not fall. That's just vegetables. But we're gonna have full vegetables. So some of these are missing like little pieces of like their stuff. They just fell off in the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna replace them with these little pumpkins that came on this one. I think I have to paint these. Honestly, if they were sparkly and didn't have the dots, I'd be fine with it. I just don't like these dots.
How you doing?
I'm gonna try to paint these and get back to you. My brother's just got home, so it's gonna be a long noise. Okay, after looking at this on camera, I've realized I've made a grave mistake, but luckily I only painted one of them. I'm going to keep the 3 sparkly ones and use this on my wreath. I'm gluing the pumpkins down now, and I'm hoping for the best. I feel like half the video is me just holding things down and waiting. I'm filming a fall video. Wow, that's disappointing that I did this with that sparkly one. I wish I could undo it. Control Z, you know. It's over, I think. You wanna try? We're gonna try to rinse it in the sink and see if we can get the sparkles back. I don't think so. Did it work?
Yep.
Really? Wow, a real life Control Z. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I think that I'm done. It's not exactly like the Michaels one, but I think it's pretty damn close. This is it. What do you think, Mom?
Love it.
You love it?
Love it.
Do you love it?
You go in.
Alita, don't be sarcastic with me.
I wasn't. I was being serious.
It's glued
Do you like it? Do you love it? It's all glued in.
in. Beautiful.
So that'd be $15 at the Dollar Tree. At Michael's, how much did it cost? I don't remember. Hello, I'm back on day 2 in the same outfit with a slightly worse pumpkin face, and I'm ready and prepared to do my second Michael's craft, which is the Scarecrow pumpkin. Wow, I need to close my window. That's upsetting. 1 second. I think this one cost around $40 or $50, and I thought it was absolutely ridiculous. Even more ridiculous than I thought the wreath was. So this one involves a pumpkin with a scarecrow and some flowers. And the pumpkin is painted with like brownish black stripes and orange stripes across. It looks pretty simple, looks very cute. So I figured, let's give it a go. I can make this for cheaper, you know? So I went ahead and painted this white. So I'm gonna use a thinner brown to go down the ridges. The good thing is this one did look hand painted in Michael's, so if it's a little bit crooked, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of a white touch up because I'm a perfectionist. It looks like they have 2 stripes here and here.
Look at the princess with the little cat ears. Funny as hell. Can you just hold on?
I'm funny as hell, did you just say? You hear that? Funny as hell. I think he means funny looking. I'm a riot. What can I say? Yeah, that's bad. I'm gonna do the second line and then fix it with the white.
What are you doing? Make like a Halloween video?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you? I thought you did that the other day.
People liked it, so I'm doing another one.
How many people like?
Some.
Pick up that.
Yeah, I'm really hungry too, Dad. Can you make me something, Dad?
No, you have to make yourself.
Please? I'm gonna mix together the sunflower color and a little bit of this red and try to make an orange. It looks like they did it in between. Maybe I made that too thick. It's okay. It's okay. This looks bad, but it's okay. Yeah, if you had a little bit of a bigger pumpkin, even in Michael's, they have like pretty cheap pumpkins that are a little bigger. This would be probably a little better. Perfect. Now we have our painted stripes. It's supposed to look hand painted, so maybe I'll try to make the candy corn. See, the one thing that I was considering not even doing was the candy corns. I didn't know how to make those. I don't like candy corns in real life, but I'm gonna just like try it really quickly with this pumpkin. I'm thinking like the styrofoam from the inside, I could make 2 candy corns and then just like paint them the right colors. So I'm gonna use these extra stems from the wreath project and like stick my candy corns in there and then stick them in my pumpkin. Ooh, that was rough. Did I just make a mistake? This smells like not good for you. Chemicals. And it's like everywhere. And if birds eat it, it swells in their stomach and they die. So I don't know why we're still even making styrofoam. Half the things on this table is styrofoam, but I'm against it. It's not biodegradable. We need to get rid of it. It's literally horrible and it goes everywhere. And once you get it on your rug, forget it. It's not ready yet. So I'm gonna use these 2. So candy corn is yellow, orange, white. The cool thing is their candy corns were definitely just triangle styrofoams that they painted. So I'm doing the same thing that they did. Wow, this is really looking like candy corn. I still don't like candy corn though. It tastes very bad. I don't know why anyone likes it. I don't know why it exists, quite frankly. It tastes horrendous. Candy apples, I can deal with. Pumpkin pie, I can deal with. Pumpkin cookies, great. Candy corn, literally any other candy. Any other candy I'm fine with. Candy corn, no. That looks like a candy corn. Look at that, that looks so good. Should I make 3 candy corns? Why not? Why not? They had 2, but I want 3, you know? I might as well. I already cut the triangles. And that was the hardest part. This is actually relaxing. I love painting. Like, this is just really relaxing. Andrew, look at this. Look at that candy corn.
Candy corn? It's good.
Isn't that crazy? Something about this is making my throat hurt, and I don't know why. This is just Scarecrow. I like it because it's sitting up. Like, it's like this part will sit up, and these are flimsy, the legs. So I can just, yep, I can just rip this off. Let me see if I can. Oh! Okay. Now we're talking. Stick this guy's ass in, and now he's sitting on the pumpkin. Cute. So I feel like sunflowers and scarecrows just go together. You just try to cut it. Oh! Okay. I kind of like the way I did the flowers in the back, honestly. You like it? Yeah? Mm-hmm. You want it?
Oh, that's mine.
This is Mom's. She likes it.
Now you get really cooking.
Now I'm getting cooking?
Yeah, you're getting hot.
You like this that much?
Yeah.
Wow. I actually picked this one out because I thought you'd like it. I've been giving my crafts to Mom. You like the candy corns? Isn't that funny?
No, how'd you make them?
I cut the styrofoam from the old pumpkin and then painted.
Very clever. I like it very much. Let's go to my front hall.
Thank you. Some hay. Just take a look at this. The video cut out, but I didn't really do much more. So I just had this empty stem saved and I kind of hot glued a lot of hay to it and made it stick out. Isn't this so cute? I love it. I think I love it more than the goal, the Michael's goal. The Michael's one cost $40, but this one costs between $7 and $8. So I added in a little bow just to make it similar to the Michael's one. The Michael's one cost, I think, $70. This, $16. I have a couple more fall DIYs planned, so stay tuned. It will involve Dollar Tree items, and I think I'm going to be mimicking possibly CVS items because I know those are like way more expensive than they should be. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like to be notified about my future videos. Are they both in the shot? Mm-hmm. Like, is the angle good? Mm-hmm. Andrew, do you like my fall DIYs?
Very nice.
Any other things to say?
Okay.
Anything else?
No.
I worked really hard on it.
Okay.